So hello everyone, my name is Don. So today I will present my AWS cloud solution for vPod. I will be focusing on booking system and also the future streaming services. So I will go through from task A to task F. I will including the benefits, also the architecture design, security, and the cost estimation. So let's get started. So the AWS provides a major benefits for handling high and unpredictable traffic. So we can see that elastic scalability is the key advantage, where the service like Lambda automatically can scale up as or scale down during the ticket spike, and it can preventing downtime. So it also offers cost efficiency through a pay-as-you-go model, so that the vPod only need to pay for what it uses. And in addition, so AWS can improve the availability and performance using multiple region deployment and CloudFront to reduce latency. And in overall, it enable a scalable and reliable system. So about the service model, so my recommendation is that we will use the hybrid model. It's a combining of PaaS and IaaS, with focus on PaaS. So PaaS services like Lambda can reduce the server management and can support automatic scaling. And then it can make the development faster. So IaaS, such as EC2, can also be used where more control is required. And whereas SaaS is mainly for supporting tools like customer management because it's not really suitable for this kind of system. And I can see that this approach can balance between efficiency and flexibility. So about the regions, so as my research, the two closest regions are Singapore and Hong Kong. So using both those regions can improve the availability and disaster recovery. So since the traffic can be redirected if one of the regions fails, and then as a consequence, it can improve the performance by routing users to the nearest region. And additionally, data replication can ensure the data remains available. And so this can remove a single point of failure. For the security of the system, I can see that there's a many layers security. So there are many layers, so many security need to be approached, and I offer a IAM managed access control, while VPC and private subnet is isolated resources. So WAF and Shield can protect the attacks against something like DDoS. KMS and HTTPS can ensure the data encryption. CloudWatch and CloudTrail can provide monitoring and logging, and this uh, can provide strong security across all layers. So I have a diagram here. So the user request will go through the Route 63 and CloudFront for routing and fast delivery. Then the data can be protected by WAF and Shield. Then it will be handled by the API gateway. So to manage traffic spikes, requests are queued in SQS and processed by Lambda functions. Um, Beside that, the elastic catch can improve the performance by catching data, while RDS stores the transactional data with high availability. So, and also the S3 can store the static and streaming content with cross-region replication. So in overall, the system is scalable, reliable, and fault tolerant. So for the cost, I estimated the cost is around slightly above $100 a month plus $2,100 a month for IT labor. So in total, it's around more than $3,000 a month. So this ensure we include the compute database storage and networking services. So in the AWS, CPU and RAM can cost are included within service pricing, simplify cost management. So compared to on-premise systems, so this can reduce upfront cost and improve the cost efficiency. So to wrap up, the AWS can provide a VPOP with scalable, secure, and cost-efficient solution. It can handle high traffic, ensure availability, and support future streaming services. And this makes a strong solution for VPOP growth. That is my presentation. Thanks for listening.